Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the new Philips Hue Bridge Pro. The Hue Bridge Pro is the latest smart hub for Philips Hue smart lights. It is designed for users who want better performance and more control over their lighting system. This bridge connects all your Hue lights and accessories into one system that you can manage from your phone. The Bridge Pro is more powerful than the older Hue Bridge. It can support up to 150 lights and around 50 accessories at the same time. This makes it a good choice for larger homes or advanced smart lighting setups. It is faster and more stable because it has a stronger processor and more internal memory. This means your lights respond quicker when you turn them on or change scenes. Another upgrade is the flexible connection option. You can connect the Bridge Pro using Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet cable. This allows you to place it where it works best for your network. A useful feature called Motion Aware allows your lights to react to movement without a separate motion sensor. If you have multiple lights in one room, the bridge can detect motion based on changes in light behavior. After setup, you can add lights, create rooms, build scenes, and set automation schedules. You can control everything from your phone or with voice assistants. Thanks for watching.